Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Panda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic 10 TB external hard drive. Starting with the introduction, usually all the computers come with hard drive already, but at present after realizing the benefits of SSD, companies are starting to make use of them. Well, don't get confused. We have two types of hard drives, pre-installed one and external ones. Also, we have another storage device called SSD or solid state device. Uses: a hard disk drive is basically an electromechanical non-volatile storage device. It is an essential part of the computer and generally comes pre-installed. It is installed in the drive bay connected to the motherboard's disk controller. This hard disk drive is connected to the disk controller using a cable. The HDD consists of many layers called platters in an air-sealed case. All your data is written in these platters which rotate rapidly. Parameters. First one is purpose. The first and foremost thing is to remember is that why do we need it? I mean, surely for storage. But what requirements you have precisely according to your work. Check your capacity requirements. Like if you are a vlogger and have to shoot long videos, you surely need a bigger hard disk drive in case your laptop is not enough. But if you are a student with hardly 256 GB of pictures, files, etc. Next is budget. Set your budget. Before looking out on an awesome pieces, you must segregate them according to the price. No use of making up your mind for a product that you can't buy. A decent hard drive can start from $120 and can go high up to $7,000 USD even. Durability. After all the points are made, check out the hard disk drive's durability before buying them. This is really important as HDDs are mechanical objects and are prone to wear and tear. Be sure that product you select give a warranty of at least 2 years. Though the reliability of hard drive is challenging to gauge, but HDDs from known brands and that too with warranty will reduce the risks. Next is transfer speed. It matters to those who shoot high quality videos. You must ensure that hard disk has a USB 3.0 port other than USB 2.0 port. This will ensure faster transfer of your data. This is important even when you have to backup of all the HD quality videos or images etc. Generally, hard drive have 3500 or 7200 RPM of transfer speed. Next is security. The last and vital factor to not overlook is security. You need to check whether the product has the hardware-based encryption or not. Hardware-based encryption is much more efficient than software-based encryption. If you are going to have some really confidential stuff on your hard drive, make sure to take encryption into consideration. Next is products of 10 TB external hard drives. Seagate Backup Plus Desktop Hard Drive. It has always been the leading company when it's come to hard drives. Its hard drives are available in multiple storage capacities from 1 TB to 12 TB. This backup plus a desktop hard drive is having a capacity of 10 TB. Next is Western Digital MyBook. This is another blazing brand in hard drives after Seagate. The only extra advantage that you get here is that it is much cheaper than Seagate. The hard drive comes with the USB 3.1 Gen 1 ready and presently gives USB 3.0 compatibility. Last but not the least, conclusion. In the hard drive industry, the Seagate company has always ruled. However, we have got two new products other than Seagate for better options. Now you have your own guide to choosing the best hard drive for you. The information provided above is not in specific order by random. You may visit your nearby gadget store or YouTube for better knowledge of these products. These 10 TB external hard drives are all you need if you have storage problem with your laptop. Stay updated with us to know more about such topics. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.